My name is Nolwenn and I'm from France. Only 2 weeks. I will say the cheetah experience. It was amazing, very memorable. We were so close to them. It was, magical moment. Adventure, amazing, and spec boom. I'm very sad. If I could, I would stay longer, but I can't. But I'm feeling like when I come home, I learned so many different things, and I want to share it to people, to educate people about conservation. So maybe it gives me some idea to make maybe a short animated movie about my experience here and the conservation stuff. So yeah.